In today's video, we are unboxing the Baby Brezza Safe and Smart Bottle Warmer. It says safely warms breast milk to preserve nutrients, quickly warms milk and formula, safely defrosts frozen breast milk, warms food jars, and it says right here, you can get an alert on your smartphone when the bottle is ready. So let's open this thing up, see what's inside. All right, so see the inside here. We've got what looks like a user manual. Okay, all right. Looks pretty detailed and thorough. Looks like a little setting guide and chart on the back. Set that down. Let's see, got a cable. What is this? I think this is your measuring cup. So we can take this out. Maybe. We can certainly try to take this out. Now there's a little measuring cup. Okay, we'll find out more about what that's about. Let's just take this whole thing out. More packaging. Let's get rid of the packaging. Boxing. Oh. All right, that's all that's in it. That is an empty box now. Let's open this thing up. Let's see what's inside. Get off my finger tape. So, plastic. So we've got this little measuring cup. It looks like maybe it hooks right onto the back of there. Also has a quick warming guide and a steady warming guide right here on the back. So that's cool that they've included that chart right here. Let's take a look here. What is this? All right, that's the lid. Close and open. This is, I'm guessing this is like a bottle tray where you put your bottle in or your food jar in. Because we've had another bottle warmer before. Whenever you take your bottle out, you're supposed to take it out by grabbing onto this. So that's it. It's really 3 pieces. Let's look at the bottom here. All right, so we've got a pretty short cord. They use short cords in appliances like this so that you don't accidentally trip over stuff or anything like that. But it also gives you a place to wrap the cord around on the bottom in case you want to shorten it even more, and then a little like hole to go out the back so that it still sits flat. So cool, super cool. Power button, room temperature button, cold button, quick warm button, steady warm button, LCD panel. You've got, like I said before, this bottle tray and then the measuring cup. So 3 pieces plus the lid and a cord, and it looks pretty easy. All right, and don't forget the manual as well. Be sure to read that manual before you decide to use something like the Baby Brezza Safe and Smart Bottle Warmer. So watch this video coming up right up here to see how to use the Safe and Smart Bottle Warmer, because we're gonna be talking about this, and you need to know an efficient and correct way to use this bottle warmer. Again, Baby Brezza Safe and Smart Bottle Warmer.